Welcome to Huawei Wireless World Weekly Express. Today I will bring you more news and views about 5G, technology, industry, society, and economy. Well, the first one regarding Huawei Voice. At the time where a lot of countries are distracted in politicizing 5G and immersing themselves in baseless acquisitions against Huawei, Huawei's focus has been on humanizing 5G and bringing to the whole world the sense of support, belonging, and encouragement at a time it is really needed. We believe that this is our responsibility as a global leader. Compared to 4G, 5G may be 10 times faster, but yet it consumes much less energy per bit. Huawei's 5G PowerStar's energy system with its unique AI-based algorithm and material work together to reduce the amount of energy used per traffic demand. This saved the industry 20% of the energy consumed per base station. Not only will that help operators' business economics, but also it will help the whole world in reducing the carbon footprint. Although some OTT services took some voice demand, still telecom network are the best option in scenarios that require high reliability and also low latency. Also, with the emergence of 5G, telcos wanted to build a 5G-oriented voice network. Huawei, based on many years' experience in building telecom services, has unveiled the first all-cloud, all-conversion, single voice core. This solution will overcome challenges based on operation and cost, and it will also work on all generation of technology from 2G to 5G, plus it will also work on fixed line services. Experts warn that the new cutoff date for installing new Huawei kit into UK's 5G network is basically impractical, and they will force telecom companies to spend more than £1.5 billion. This is definitely part of the ongoing continuous aggressive escalation from the US against Huawei, claiming security issues. Global Mobile Supplier Association, GSA, released their update to their spectrum auction report, and it hasn't been updated since March 2020, and the recent one has all of the industry development and the spectrum releases for spectrum bands from 3300 to 4200 megahertz, and it can be easily downloaded from their website. To further strengthen its leading position in providing innovative solutions to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Zain of Saudi, together with Huawei, have conducted a virtual summit together with many technological workshops to align strategies as well as 5G business solutions to provide to the kingdom. And that was also aligned with different applications, 5G to be application to different industries that shows the value for telcos and for Zain in Saudi market. Recently, there's been a lot of buzz around Open RAN and its future benefits and values. First, we need to understand that Open RAN is not a standard. Open RAN is just a base station implementation methodology. Or RAN 4G or 5G, they follow 3GPP standard. In Huawei, we've always been ahead in implementing customer-centric innovation to solve the business and industry sustaining issues. Although we believe that the ultimate goals and values for Open RAN in terms of openness, virtualization, automation, and intelligence, they are all good. However, we also believe that these can be easily delivered today using the current base station architecture, which is based on Huawei single RAN strategy, but yet with higher efficiency, better cost of function, and also bigger ecosystem. Parallel Wireless CEO just pointed out that the Open RAN can only be as good as the available radios. And he mentioned that until the industry will produce active massive MIMO antenna that is up to Huawei standard, the whole world will be in a catch-up game. He also added that the reason that Huawei leadership in that domain is due to the R&D investment, specifically in material that make all of Huawei base stations the highest in terms of energy efficiency. The rich experience and the wide range and the adaptability of the key performance attributes for 5G allows it to efficiently serve different industry and diversified segments as well. At the center of the stage here is the deterministic network-oriented 5G core. Huawei and Light Reading together are teaming up and bringing you a webinar on June 29th that will talk about deterministic network and how it delivers differentiated services and deterministic experience in order to bring the best economics to the operator business. Please join us for that webinar. Imagine that this pandemic hit while we only have 2G or 3G. We wouldn't have been able to control the virus so quickly, or to limit the damage for the economy, or been able to continue our business as usual. Huawei Carrier Network Business Group is conducting a virtual summit on June 24th. They are bringing a global thought leader and to discuss how 5G centric ICT innovative technologies combined with old industries will help the whole world. So please join us on June 24th to listen to Huawei's 5G Plus Better World Summit. That's it for today. And thank you for your time. And until next time, stay safe and healthy, you and your loved ones.